On a daily basis, we rely on our phone to provide us with information, save time, and simplify our lives. Now that same device lets you control your home thanks to the collection of smart switches and sockets, Arteor with Netatmo by Legrand. Now you can conveniently control lights, small appliances, blinds and shutters, and even monitor energy consumption from anywhere with just a touch. Arteor with Netatmo can be controlled using the Home Plus Control app or voice commands with digital assistants such as Google Home, Amazon Alexa and Apple Siri. With today's smartest home technology built into each switch and socket, take complete control with the master on-off switch. Create tailored scenarios, leaving home, wake up, or control individual devices in the event you forgot to turn them off. Arteor with Netatmo installs quickly and easily for new and existing wired installations, giving you complete control of individual devices, energy monitoring, security, and overall convenience. Just say the words. Conveniently create multi-way switching, give the impression you're home for added security, even light things up for your arrival. Convenience, security and energy savings. It's all possible thanks to Arteor with Netatmo by Legrand.